Welcome, I'm Susan, your teacher and guide. Our practices for daily restoring and invoking peace. We'll start with a simple breath and mudra practice with SoMa. As in the teaching for daily prayer, bring your hands together in Namaste hands, prayer hands at your heart center. Then hold them out in front, palms up, elbows close to your side body, in a gesture of acceptance. On an inhale, bring thumb tip and index fingertip together on both hands. Exhale and straighten thumb and fingers and say, So. On the next inhale, bring thumb tips and little fingertips together. Exhale and straighten thumb and fingers and say, Ma, with the emphasis on We'll practice this 4 times. Inhale. Exhale. So. Inhale. Exhale. Ma. Inhale. Exhale. So. Inhale. Exhale. Ma. Inhale. Exhale. So. Inhale. Exhale. Ma. And finally, inhale. Exhale. So. Inhale, exhale, Ma. Deep in breath. Exhale and breathe normally, changing our world one kind thought at a time. And I'll leave you with that Zen inspiration. Though the bamboo forest is dense, water flows through it freely.